you might have trouble pronouncing these words. Today, I'm going to help you. The first set is ma, ma, ma. Ma means to come. Ma means a horse. Ma means a dog. So the first word ma, ma. So you pronounce it in the middle tone, but a little bit down. Ma, ma, ma. And then the word ma, ma. It has high tone, so you have to pronounce it like up to the roof. Ma, ma, ma. And then the word ma, so it has rising tone, so you rise it and then go a little bit down. Ma, ma. And if you want to practice, I would recommend you practice this one. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, to come. Ma, ma. Ma means a horse. Ma means a dog. Ma, 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 ma. The next one is mai, mai, mai. Mai means or not, or is it, or does it. Mai means new. Mai. So the pronunciation of mai has two spelling. The first one means no, and the second one means burned or to be burnt. Mai has rising tone. So mai, mai. Mai has low tone. Mai, 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 mai. And then mai, mai has falling tone. Mai, mai, mai. It's not just low tone but falling tone. Mai, 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 mai. Or you can practice this one. Mai, 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 mai. Mai, 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 mai. Mai, mai, mai. This is new. Mai, this is burn. Mai, mai. The next set is mai, mai, mai. Mai, mai, mai. Mai is in tamai, which means why. Mai means no. Mai means wood. Mai, mai, mai. The word mai, the tone is in the middle but a little bit down because ma itself is the low class. So when you pronounce it, you have to turn it low. Mai, mai, mai. Mai, even though it has mai a tone mark above, but we pronounce it in falling tone. Mai, 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 mai. And then mai, it has high tone, so pronounce it high to the roof without falling. Mai, mai, mai. Let's play or practice with these two sentences. ซื้อรถใหม่ใส่ผ้าไหมทำไมไม่ได้ แล้วจะให้ไฟไหม้ใบไม้ไปถึงไหน ซื้อรถใหม่ใส่ผ้าไหมทำไมไม่ได้ แล้วจะให้ไฟไหม้ใบไม้ ไปถึงไหน I have thought these two sentences specifically just for you to practice. Again, let's do it together. ซื้อรถใหม่ใส่ผ้าไหมทำไมไม่ได้แล้วจะให้ไฟไหม้ใบไม้ไปถึงไหน Please have fun practicing it and I truly hope you can do it and let me know if at the end you can do it correctly. Next, let's pronounce the two different words. The first pair, คืน 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 has คอควาย consonant คอ คือ คือ นอ คืน and คืน has ขอไข่ sound ขอ คือ คือ นอ คืน คอควาย is low class consonant so when you pronounce the word คอ you have to go low คืน 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 and ขอไข่ is high class consonant so the sound itself has high tone so ขอ คืน คืน คอ คืน คืน The next pair is ฝืน ฟืน ฝืน ฟืน ฝืน has ฝอฝา consonant sound ฝอ ฝือ ฝือนอ ฝืน ฟืน has ฟอฟัน consonant sound ฟอ ฟือ ฟือนอ ฟืน ฝอฝา is a high class consonant so when you pronounce it because ฝอฝา is high class so the tone has to be high and kind of like rising so ฝืน ฝืน so it has kind of like rising and falling a little bit at the end ฝืน ฝืน while ฟอฟัน is low class consonant so when you pronounce ฟอฟัน the tone has to be low like a little bit low like ฟืน 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 ฝืน ฟืน and if you want to add a tone mark into it ฟืน 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 ฝืน so if you put my toe mark onto it it's gonna be ฝืน high tone ฝืน the next pair เฟือน 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 เฟือนฟอเฟือ เฟือนอ เฟือนฝอเฝือ เฟือนอ เฟือน so เฟือน for fun is a low class consonant so when you pronounce it you have to go low เฟือน 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 and ฝอฝา is a high class consonant so when you pronounce it go high or rising เฟือน 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 and if you're supposed to add the tone into it for example you want to add ไม่เอกโทนมาร์ก it's gonna be เฟือน เฟือน so เฟือน 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 so เฟือน เฟือน the next pair is ผี พี่ ผี พี่ ผี has ผอพึ่ง sound ผอ ผี and then พี่ has พอพาน sound พ พออีพีพีเอกพี่พอพึ่ง is a high class consonant so when you pronounce the word ghost or p it has to be rising so p p while the word p พอพาน is itself a low class consonant so when you pronounce it it's go low if you want to practice you can try p p p p p p p p p p so p p p p is the following one the next pair knee 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 means this knee means this also but anyway we use the word knee with teeny which means here and we use the word knee with subject or object for example สิ่งนี้ so this thing or this stuff knee and knee if you want to practice and try to differentiate these two you can try to practice this one knee 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 falling teeny falling knee knee high go high สิ่งนี้วันนี้พรุ่งนี้ the last pair is ไกลใกล้ไกลใกล้ใกล้ means far and ใกล้ means near so when we pronounce ไกลใกล้ has middle tone so just ไกลไกลไกลไกล far far and when we pronounce the word ใกล้ใกล้ it has falling tone so ใกล้ใกล้ใกล้ which means near so มาใกล้ใกล้ means come closer มาใกล้ใกล้ again ไกลใกล้ I hope you have fun learning with me and there are still more videos coming so please stay tuned and see you again in the next video bye สวัสดีค่ะ